He heals the brokenhearted and binds up their wounds. Psalm 147:3. Let the gentle rain remind you of God's healing touch. No matter the pain, His love is restoring your heart. Come to me, all you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest. Matthew 11:28. Lay your burdens down. Feel His peace as the rain washes over your spirit. By His wounds, we are healed. Isaiah 53:5. Let this rain and His word bring you comfort and renewal tonight. Trust in His power to heal you inside and out. You are never alone.